When you create observations, as well as tagging objectives, you can add notes. I'm logged in here as a teacher. I've taken an observation and I can add notes by adding text into this notes field. The notes fields I've got here are notes and next steps comments. You can choose what you have here. These are the default ones, but you can add further notes fields and change the titles if you want to. This is what a parent sees when they take an observation. They can access the parent's notes fields. When they tap on notes, they've just got one notes field. To customize the notes fields, you need to go to the Evidence Me web suite and access the administration area. In the menu on the left, you'll see an option called Observation Notes. Here you can see the current observation notes fields. You can see the two teacher ones here, and below that the parent one. To edit the notes fields, you select them and click on the Edit pen. You can then change the title. If you want to create a new notes field, you can click on the plus at the top and pop the name in for your new notes field. You can then choose who it's visible for and activate it. Once you've set it up, it will be visible when you go to Notes in your observations. Here you can see the new note field at the bottom.